How's it going tonight? This is the Window Warrior. This is a 2008 GMC Denali. Long story short, I'll cut right to it. I had a seatbelt situation here where this one was getting stuck. I ripped it apart. It's junk. Anyway, so I went to go get a new one, and it was getting stuck, and I could not get it unstuck whatsoever. I saw another video, and basically I'll cut right to it. What I did was, when I installed this thing, I gently cut this area out right here, and you see that ball bearing right there? So once you get this thing in, you can maneuver that ball bearing and the little hitch thing that's in there a little bit. You just maneuver it a little bit, and then you can get the GM seat belt to unlock, and you're good to go. But you got to cut this little thing off. You probably don't even have to cut it. There's probably a magical way to do it. Just kidding. But I just took off that little cover. That's not going to fall out of there because it's all locked in there and everything. Just took this off, so as it's catching, just take a little screwdriver and just maneuver that a little bit, and it would unlock it so you could get it out. Once you get it in, once you get it all bolted in, it's good to go. But if somebody's out there having that problem, I wanted to make a quick, right to the point video about it. So Window Warrior out, man. Right there it is. That's the issue.